Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to a very important update that is related to Cognizant GenC next hiring exam update, that is on campus exam for 2022 batch candidates. So most of the candidates got the application status for the GenC next exam. So as you can see on my screen that there are two types of mails that comes from the GenC next team or the super site teams. Like a dear student, we would like to inform that you did not qualify for the GenC next technical skills based assessment. You can appear for the GenC Elevate technical skills based assessment in September 2021. So in this video we discuss about what are the some criteria that they consider for the skills based assessment. This is not related to any exam or the skills assessment. They are just shortlisting the profile or from the other criteria. All your doubts will be cleared in this video. So let's start the video. So many candidates just got this application status for Cognizant GenC next 2022. So there is a very important point. Then we go to Cognizant 2022 campus hiring official website. As you can see that this is totally related to a skills based job. Okay, if they already mentioned the roles that they just describe the job description, and they are offering a very good package for this, and the selection criteria is skills based assessment test. So as I talk about the GenC next hiring workflow, so as you can see that there is a two important point that there is a exam for GenC next in the August month, and after that in the September month there is a GenC Elevate exam. So there is one important point that on the Cognizant website they just mention that college placement officer need to ensure that only those students who meet Cognizant criteria can appear for the placement process. So there are two important points, like first there is a criteria important point or there is a profile shortlisting point. So it will totally depend on the MNC, like it will totally depend on Cognizant team that they will consider number of candidates for the skills based assessment test. So before moving on to next part of the video, we are talk about a very good platform that is known as Relevel, and there are so many updates from Relevel now. As you can see that on the Relevel platform there are so many tests like business development, front end and back end development. If you are from any branch or if you are from any branch, and there is one important point that if you have no prior experience or no work experience, so you are eligible for their opportunities, and there are many number of jobs and there are packages are very good. As you can see that there are business development, back end development and front end development exams are there. There have a very good Relevel score, and you have a very good Relevel score, and you can eligible for the interview opportunity. So let's talk about the second point, that so many candidates also got this mail that is related to Cognizant GenC Next 2022 shortlisted for the GenC Next technical assessment based test. We are glad to inform that you have been qualified for the Cognizant GenC Next technical skill based assessment, which will be held on 14 August to 21. So there is a very important point. There is a no exam for qualify. They are just there are so many reasons for selecting that, in that shortlisting the profile or a criteria will not the match or the other criteria that is decided by the Cognizant team. So I hope this information is very useful for everyone. If you have any another doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. There is one important point that prepare for the next exam. There are so many MNCs that they hire through on campus or off campus in the upcoming month or in the current. If you have a good on campus opportunity, so you have to apply for that, or if you have not, so you can wait for off campus and just apply for that or start your preparation. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section or DM me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.